Yes, greetings once again. My name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. What makes you who you are is who you make yourself. You are what you make yourself. What am I saying? You are what you make yourself. If you think you are not going to be useful again in life, my brother, you are not going to be useful again in your life, because you've already said it. Whatever you do in life, whatever you plant in life is what you harvest. Whatever you sow in life is what you reap. Most people don't make things out of this life because they believe in themselves. They believe in themselves that because they are not rich, because this thing happens to them, therefore they are no longer useful. Because you are not opportuned to be educated, not just to be educated, to pass through the university, and you think you are gone. You think the whole life, the whole world, it's really you are behind. No, excuse me. For the fact that your parents didn't have the money to take you to university or to secondary school, and you can do something on your own. What matters is not the academic, not the result you are having. What matters is what you can do on your own, what you can do with your talent. If you have this talent and you don't want to do something out of it, it dies. What can you do with what you have within you? What you have within you is what that is great, that it matters. You know, you having something that the whole world will need tomorrow. You having something that the whole world will say, we want this person. You having something within you. It is all about you to stand up. It's all about you to stand up and say, I want to bring out what I have. I want to bring out what I have. I want the world to know about me. I want my mission on earth to be this, to be that. I want me to actualize my dreams in life. If you have a dream and you don't want to work with it, if you have a dream and you don't want to work on it, my brother, my sister, you are making a mistake. I want you today to decide and say, I want to do this. I want my life to be this. I want the world to know about me. I just want the whole world to say, who is this person? That is what you are doing right now. That is what I want to do right now. That is your mission. That is your dream. Live out your dream. Stop blaming your uncle. Stop blaming your father. Stop blaming your mother. Do what you have to do as a person. Believe in yourself. Work on yourself. Work on your future. Work on your future. Work on yourself. You're gonna be better someday. You're gonna be better someday. Excuse me. When you work on your talent, when you work on what you have, you are becoming a better person. You're gonna become a better person, whether you like it or not. The only person holding you is you. The only person blaming yourself is you. The only person holding what you should have done is you. The only person that said I cannot do it is you. The only person that said this is impossible, it is still you. Right now, say this is possible. Even the word impossible says I'm possible. So how much more you that have the gift and the talent to say you cannot do this, to say you cannot make this change, that you cannot build this company, that you cannot start, even, excuse me, even with one penny you have, you can build up a company. Listen to people, listen to good news, go through their life, go through the stories of the people that have made it in life. You will see where they started. You are even better than them at that time. What are you doing? Why are you wasting your time? Why are you looking for white collar job? Why are you looking for waiting for your uncle, your father, your mother to come and give you this or give you that? Start from where you are. You must get to where you want to go. Only when you believe anything is possible. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Do you believe you can do it? Do you believe in yourself? Do you believe you can achieve your aims in life? Do you believe the world is waiting for you? Do you know that this whole life can never be meaningful if you don't bring what you have in you? That this whole life can never be okay if you don't bring out what you have. This life is waiting for you. This generation must sing your name. Your name must be mentioned in the books of record. Your name must be mentioned in the street. Your name must be mentioned everywhere. You are the person holding yourself. You are the person that can make it happen. only you can make it happen. Thank you very much. And I challenge you today to make it happen. Start now. Start. Even as you're listening to me, start. Think of that thing you can do. Think of that thing you're doing. That thing you want to do that needs millions of dollars to start off. No, kick off right now. Your helper is on the way. Kick off right now. Kick off right now. Your helper is on the way. Don't waste time. Don't delay. Delay is dangerous. Whatever you have, somebody else has it. Whatever you want to do, somebody else wants to do that. Start now. Start now. Thank you. Start now. My name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. I want to hear your testimonies. Leave a comment below if what I said is good. And subscribe to this channel. I must be here to respond to your comment. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.